And this is Kenny with Gardening Simplified. It's January 30th. We've had part of our freezing days. We've got another one tonight, be around 18, 19, tomorrow around 22. And it won't get up to maybe 34 tomorrow. But we've had these covered in the greenhouse. We've had a little buddy heater that's went there pretty good, but it's just wanting to let you see how things fared. We got our Mitchell Healy. It looks like nothing's happened to it. Our broccoli, it's doing excellent. Our spinach has started coming up. Real good stand. That probably helped it. We've got these uncovered today so I can water. It's been quite a few days since got water in here. Our cauliflower, it's looking pretty good. It has had some chewing on it. I don't know what it was. I couldn't find it. I just used a little spinosad and some neem oil. Take care of that. Seems like it stopped all that chewing. Our next crop of radishes is just coming up. We just got about 3 or 4 of the other ones left. They're not looking real good, but that's finishing up. Our cabbage is looking good. In fact, we've got some that's big enough, a few heads in there. Once they tighten up good, we'll pick them. Golden beets are doing great. The red beets are doing great. No damage on the mustard greens. We're going to pull some of these for the chickens. I had to spray them because there was something eating on them, but we're going to pull most of them out and take care of that. And we'll thin these turnips some more. They're kind of getting big, so they'll get a little tougher. Something happened here with this one Lawsonata kale. We'll pull it out, give it to the chickens today too. But these broccoli are looking good. In fact, I'm seeing a whole lot of little sprouts. Some of them just little bitty, some is a little bit bigger. We're going to harvest some of these today because they're just good for side shoots. They're at excellent size. Looking real good. These 3 on the end are going to go to seed, which they're getting them some heads on them, so they'll be coming up to seed pretty good. And our broccoli over here is doing real well. The spinach is doing good. And these Frankenkraut cabbage, they're starting to form heads. Now that one that was at the top with the broccoli, we picked it and we ate on it last night. And she said the flavor wasn't quite as good, but it was younger. So I said, well, it's probably because we picked it a little young, but we get it out that row. But that's where we're sitting today. Everything's looking good. We've still got our onions covered outside, and the garlic, we'll uncover them after these next 2 cold nights. Then it's going to be warm enough, even though it's going to get down to close to 30. They'll do fine. But I just want to show you what a little bit of ground cover would do, even though it got down to low 20s in here. It held just enough ground heat and kept the frost and stuff off them, so they survived well. But anyway, here's an update for you. And if you want to see more, of course, hit that subscribe, hit the bell, select all, give her a big thumbs up, and share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.